Amber Rose, a name synonymous with boldness and resilience, has once again found herself at the center of the storm. But this time, the battlefield isn't just her personal life. It's a calculated move on OnlyFans that has everyone talking. As whispers swirl about her true intentions, Amber's latest venture isn't just a career pivot. It's a statement. Aimed at reclaiming power and calling out her detractors, her new moves have left many stunned, and some shaking in their boots. The trigger for her fiery comeback? Months of public criticism, thinly veiled jabs from industry insiders, and former friends turning into vocal critics. Amber's silence, until now, was deafening, but as the saying goes, revenge is a dish best served cold. What's unfolding is a high-stakes game of reputation and redemption, and Amber is ready to play. Her decision to join OnlyFans wasn't just about financial gain. It's about rewriting her narrative. After years of being a lightning rod for controversy, Amber is using the platform to directly connect with her audience, unfiltered and unapologetic. Amber's story isn't happening in a vacuum. The entertainment industry, social media influencers, and even a few A-listers are buzzing about her latest moves. Some are supportive, lauding her confidence and entrepreneurship, while others are less kind, accusing her of desperation or seeking attention. Among her detractors are former collaborators and past partners who have previously questioned her authenticity. These figures have added fuel to the fire, creating a spectacle that seems impossible to ignore. Yet, Amber's approach has been laser-focused. She's coming for them, one by one, with receipts and an ironclad strategy. The drama extends to her followers, too. Some longtime fans feel betrayed, while others are rallying behind her, labeling her the ultimate symbol of empowerment. The divide among her audience only amplifies the stakes in this unfolding drama. OnlyFans has become the platform of choice for celebrities looking to break free from traditional media constraints. For Amber Rose, the decision to join the platform wasn't about following a trend. It was about taking control. She's not just showcasing her persona. She's rewriting the rulebook on how public figures can engage with their audiences. The content Amber has shared so far is bold, just as you'd expect, but it also comes with a deeper message. Through her posts, she's addressing societal double standards, calling out her critics, and showing the world that she's unfazed by negativity. But the power move goes beyond content. Amber's use of OnlyFans has stirred conversations about how women in the spotlight navigate their autonomy in an era of relentless scrutiny. It's not just about the platform. It's about the statement it makes. To understand Amber's revenge arc, we have to rewind. Amber Rose has always been candid about her struggles, from her early days as a model to her tumultuous relationships with high-profile celebrities. The tabloids have followed her every move, often painting her as a polarizing figure. Despite the challenges, Amber has continuously reinvented herself. Whether through her Slut Walk initiative or her outspoken interviews, she's proven time and again that she's a force to be reckoned with. Yet it hasn't been easy. Her transparency has made her an easy target for critics. The backlash she's faced in recent years, particularly from former allies, has added fuel to her desire to clap back. And now, with OnlyFans as her stage, Amber is delivering her ultimate response. Amber Rose is no stranger to confrontation, and she's not holding back on OnlyFans. From cryptic captions to pointed comments, her posts have left fans and foes alike piecing together clues about who she's targeting. One notable moment was her recent call-out of a well-known figure in the music industry. Though she didn't name names, fans were quick to speculate, with some pointing fingers at a former partner. The fallout was immediate, with social media lighting up with debates over Amber's claims. Her strategy is clear. She's using her platform to turn the tables. No longer content to stay silent, Amber is taking her power back, one post at a time. The entertainment industry has been quick to respond to Amber's OnlyFans presence. While some have applauded her bravery, others have taken a more critical stance. Industry insiders have weighed in, with some claiming her actions are calculated, while others argue that she's setting a precedent for empowerment. Social media influencers, particularly those who've previously clashed with Amber, have also entered the fray. The result: a social media battlefield with hashtags and subtweets flying at record speed. Amber's response to the backlash has been characteristically fierce. In a recent post, she stated, "Let them talk. I'm too busy building my empire." Amber's OnlyFans isn't just about drama. It's also a masterclass in monetization. Her team has reportedly crafted a strategy that maximizes both engagement and profits. From exclusive content to personalized messages, Amber's approach is as business savvy as is bold. This chapter of her career has also shined a spotlight on the financial independence OnlyFans offers. Amber has openly discussed how the platform has allowed her to regain control of her finances and create opportunities on her terms. But behind the scenes, it's not all smooth sailing. The scrutiny she faces has intensified, with detractors questioning her motivations and critics dissecting every move. The fallout from Amber's OnlyFans REVENGE arc has been widespread. Relationships have been strained, old wounds reopened, and the industry has been forced to reckon with her undeniable influence. Among her most vocal critics are those who feel targeted by her posts. Some have taken to social media to defend themselves, while others have opted to stay silent, letting the court of public opinion decide. But for Amber, the fallout is just noise. Her focus remains on her audience, her platform, and her message. And for every critic, there's a fan cheering her on. Amber's OnlyFans journey has sparked broader conversations about empowerment, autonomy, and the double standards women face in the public eye. Her story is a reminder of the power of reclaiming your narrative, even in the face of relentless scrutiny. For other public figures, Amber's approach serves as both inspiration and a warning. It's a bold reminder that staying silent isn't the only option, and that sometimes the best revenge is living authentically. Amber's story isn't just about her. It's about challenging the norms of an industry that often profits from tearing women down. As Amber Rose's OnlyFans saga continues to unfold, one thing is clear: this is just the beginning. With her newfound platform and her determination to rewrite the rules, Amber is proving that she's not to be underestimated. The question now is, what's next? Will she continue to call out her detractors? Will she shift her focus to new ventures? Or will she surprise everyone with a move no one saw coming? One thing's for sure: Amber Rose is a force of nature, and she's just getting started.